So, hello everyone, this is Biker 390 and look what I'm riding today.
Here we go.
Yeah, so I've taken the Triumph Tiger XRX for a short test ride from Triumph Motors, Mumbai. So this is a 800cc inline 3 motor which makes about 94 bhp and around 80 newton meters of torque. So a tall bike specially built for adventure touring. So yeah, this has cruise control, traction control, riding modes. I'm planning to buy this bike, not sure. I just love how this looks, what it is built for. So let's start with the exhaust note. It starts like this, beautiful. And to start the bike, even if the bike is in neutral, you have to press the clutch. So yeah, pretty smooth inline 3. Just rev it up a bit. Very smooth. So yeah, let's ride it. Best part about the Tiger is that you can stand on the foot peg and sit on the bike like this. Yeah. So we're on the Western Express Highway. So let's go. Oh my god, this thing is powerful. So the inline 3s I've heard are very smooth. So I ride a Z800 on regular basis. It's an inline 4, so I know how smooth the inline 4 is. So even this is very smooth, guys. So the Tiger is very comfortable, man. The seat is so soft, the handlebars are wide enough. You can tour on this very easily. I love this, it's an adventure tourer. The mirrors are so beautiful, like the vision is complete. The road you can see behind the cars, very functional. And one might feel the Tiger is very tall, it will be very difficult to ride, it looks so huge, blah blah blah. But this thing feels very light when you get a hop on it. You can easily ride through traffic. Let's see if we can move from here. Yeah, we can. Only problem riding this bike in the traffic is it heats up. You can feel the heat on your thighs when you ride it, but no issue, you'll get used to it. The clutch is soft, the throttle is very smooth. Man, I love this bike, man. Seriously, this is the best thing you can buy. This bike solves all your problems: touring, Sunday rides, city comfort, then basically everything. Adventure bikes are built to do that. I mean, Super Sport will make you happy on long highways, some short rides, some straight roads, but will be not comfortable. But this Tiger, oh my god, what do we have here? I guess the accident between the Ola and the rickshaw, I suppose. Suck it, let's enjoy the Tiger. So this thing pulls very quickly and smoothly. Sorry for the wind blast if you all are hearing, because I have my visor open so that the audio on the GoPro is very smooth, crisp. So yeah, I'm loving this bike so far. I wanted to ride this bike very badly, man, because I've seen a lot of videos on the Tiger. This thing is great, man, great. Best Triumph you can buy is actually Daytona, I suppose. Daytona is a complete different bike. I love that bike. Now the way it looks, the way it sounds, and how fast it is. Complete track bike it is, but this thing can do everything on it. And I've heard this thing is good on the corners too. I'm not that good on corners. We can't try that here. For a bit, I'll enjoy this bike, how it feels. You can enjoy the raw footage. Today is crazy. I doubt the audio will be very clear. Let's hope. Most of the people will not love how the bike looks because of the V-shaped eyes, the height of it. But yeah, I love this bike, man. Everything about this bike, the weight, the handle applicability. The best thing about an adventure bike is you can do this. Oh my god, this is made for it. Just loving the bike, man. This thing is crazy. I'm scared to push this bike, man. So let's see how this thing sounds in the tunnel. There's a tunnel over here. This thing handles well in the corners too, guys. So here's the tunnel. Typical inline city. Oh my god. So yeah, I'll take a U-turn now. And during turning the bike, it doesn't feel heavy at all. You can take U-turns easily. The turning radius is good. Very good bike, very good. Let's see how this thing pulls over here. Change the gears, just happens. So this bike is perfect for me. I like to tour, I like comfortable bikes. So if you want to upgrade from a Duke 390 or any 600cc, below 600cc bike, you want your bike for touring, off-roading, then this is the perfect bike for you guys. If the budget is not an issue, because this thing costs 15 lakhs on road, the XRX model, and the XCX one, the model higher than this, costs around 17 lakhs because it's built specially for off-roading. The front forks only cost 1 lakh more than the XRX, and the handlebar is higher too. Plus the rear suspension is completely different, and it gets WP suspension. So yeah, that bike is in a different league, the XCX model. But the XRX model I feel is more than enough for me. And in fact all of us, because you can do off-roading on this too. Because it has cruise control, which is a must, guys, if you are continuously riding at 120, 130. So I've done a Bangalore ride recently and I know how it feels. I like this color too, the blue color, but I think the white looks more good. I don't know. I love all the colors, man. So that's pretty much about this video, guys. This was a short test ride of me riding the Tiger. I hope you liked the video, and I hope I will get this bike soon. Let's see, fingers crossed. So that's the Triumph showroom over there, that building. So I have to take a U-turn. So yeah, do like, comment, subscribe and share if you like this video. See ya in the next video.